Radio.
Business radio. Business radio. Business radio. Business radio.
It's lonely at the top, so they gon' hate on the kid. It's lonely at the top, so they gon' hate on the kid. It's lonely at the top, so they gon' hate on the kid. It's lonely at the top, so they gon' hate on the kid. They say they love me, but then they hate me. I said I'ma treat them like a spade, you can't play me. I'ma treat them like a word, you can't say me. I'ma treat them like a manner, you can't say please. Tell that hoe to meet the flow. Can you say knees? Like a couple Applebee's. Can you say sting? My eyes so low, I look Chinese. It's lonely at the top, so they gon' hate on the kid. It's lonely at the top, so they gon' hate on the kid. It's lonely at the top, so they gon' hate on the kid. It's lonely at the top, so they gon' hate on the kid. Radio. How much weed can you smoke, bitches? Hey, hey. How much weed can you smoke? 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 How much weed can you smoke?
Today's video, I want to chime in with a quick impromptu video. In today's video, I want to talk about their ultimate goal is to mislead you. That shit funny. Their ultimate goal is to mislead us as a people, right? So I'm gonna elaborate on what I mean. So what I mean is, by they want to mislead us. That's their ultimate goal. So basically what that means is this. So you have like these people, right? They have interwoven themselves in every aspect of our reality. What does that mean? Everything that you think you may have your hand in, or you may think it's some type of spiritual thing or a spiritual practice, it has all been, hold on, my motherfucking head. It has all been propagated and created and manufactured, meaning some man came up with something and factored it up, processed it through a factory, boxed it up, and then sent it to your front door, right? Manufactured a certain type of doctorate and curriculum that they want you to go by. Now, their ultimate goal is to mislead the human race, basically meaning that they want to mislead as many souls as possible, meaning they want multiple people going to jail, they want multiple people going to hell, they want you to sell drugs to your brothers and sisters, they want you to kill each other, not you, I'm speaking in general, but they want us to kill each other. They don't want it to be no trust between people. They don't want people in large groups, especially if those large groups of people are on the same frequency see what I'm saying? They don't want you hanging in the same group because remember, like I said, everything here on Earth is a vibration. Everything here on Earth is a vibration, right? And wavelength is a vibration. What does that mean? Your thought process. What you think about, you know what I'm saying? The thoughts that you process in your mind, that has a frequency to it. So if you hang around a bunch of like-minded motherfuckers that's all in the same wavelength and y'all on something positive and y'all trying to actually come together to make something happen, but most definitely the government most definitely does not want that energy in a group. Just like there's a whole bunch of people that's on the same wavelength and all those motherfuckers is negative, they don't want you in a same group. You know what I mean? Because if those people that's on a negative wavelength get sparked, because all it takes is just that one spark, which they call it what, the 100 monkey theory or whatever the fuck they call it or whatever. Like when you get a thought that you know it just sparks, like the energy just sparks, and then everybody, whether like you know them or not, that fucking thought just goes out. Like for example, you might say something. This used to happen to me all the time, especially when I was in high school. I noticed I'd say something like, "Oh, they should come up with this." 2 months later, you'll see it. You know what I mean? Like 100 monkey factor theory, whatever it's called, the 100 monkey theory, or however they call it. But you guys know what I'm talking about. And also another thing is too, because if you're on a negative vibration and you with a whole bunch of people, they call it gangs or whatever. All it takes is that one person to get that spark, especially if that person is a leader and has charisma. All that person has to do is speak life into the other people, and they can wake them out of that dark, negative energy, and then boom, you will be a group of people that's on the same wavelength that has a positive goal. See, people keep thinking that, like, why is these motherfuckers jealous? Why is these motherfuckers upset? Why is they mad? They jealous, they mad, they upset because you're trying to do something positive. You're trying to do something right. They want you to be in the ground. They want you to be in jail. It's not necessarily every person, but this is really what their agenda is. They want you misled, you know what I mean? Or they want you to be the proper fucking puppet. Yes, massa. Yes, sir. All this ass kissing shit. That's what they want. They don't want you to have a vision. They don't want you to have a mind. They don't want you to think for yourself. Or you think certain people, like me, I'm shadow banned. Why do you think that? Because I can speak life into the dead. And that's a metaphorical saying for you reptilians out there. How could you speak life to someone that's already gone? No, you fucking idiot. I'm saying people who are dead, they spiritually dead. They soul dead. They light is dim. It's being put out. I can speak life into those people and bring them back. That's the ultimate danger. Especially if you're not on their time, you're not giving into their agenda. They most definitely do not want that. You see what I'm saying? And this is things that you have to be aware. That's why it's like, you know what I mean? Like, I personally think, like I said, the government, this is just my own observation, because I have eyes to see and most definitely have ears to hear. You see what I'm saying? But basically, what it is this, right? You know, they don't want us to really, like, okay, so let me put it like this. So basically how I was saying the other day is that every time the government, they pass a law or some type of, sanction or whatever the fuck it is, they're not doing this just because they fuck with the people. They doing this because they getting a benefit off this shit too. You see what I'm saying? They getting some type of reward or money or benefit off this shit too. You see what I mean? It's not just, for the people, by the people. It's not no old school republic, how our forefathers built this shit to be. No. You see what I'm saying? That's not it. So, They want, so like for example, how they put guns and shit into the community. They only put guns and shit into the community because one, they got a major payoff for that shit. Two, it was agenda to start the divide and conquer, to get motherfuckers to kill each other off. And three, to go with a depopulation agenda. You see what I'm saying? So it's like now that they see, like they thinking like, damn, we didn't put guns into the hands of the wrong motherfuckers. Like yeah, they killing each other. But at the same time, a lot of these motherfuckers that got the guns, they smart enough to say, hey, the current government we have are fucking domestic terrorists, and they doing tyranny. They causing tyranny on American people, and we can overthrow these motherfuckers because it's in the Constitution. You see what I'm saying? And they like, okay, now we want to take the guns back and all this stuff because all this shit happening because they MK Ultra program and they MK Ultra bots. They don't have control of them. It's like Frankenstein. Mad scientists create this fucking beast, and once this motherfucker is created, he cannot control it anymore. That's basically what it is. A lot of this shit, they can't control it anymore, and they trying to do their best to get it off the streets or do their best to contain it. You see what I'm saying? Real talk, just like with this biochemical warfare shit. They put these diseases and these illnesses and these ailments out. Oh, we gonna kill off certain motherfuckers, but then start killing they bitch ass off too. Now it's like, oh shit, we gotta control this. You gotta try to mandate this. We gotta try to do this. You gotta do that. You see what I'm saying? See, the devil will give you what you want and what you don't want. See, the Most High will put you through. Most High, God, universe, whatever you want to call it. Same entity, different name. That's how they got another divide and conquer by the so-called religion. You see what I'm saying? But see, the Most High is gonna put you through pain and torture. You see what I'm saying? Real talk. God wouldn't do that to you. The Most High will put you through pain and torture to see if you can endure to the end. And once you endure to the end and you come out, you come outstanding on the other end, every blessing or every manifestation or will, that you receive, will it to existence. The Lord helps those who are willing. Will it to existence, manifestation. Every blessing that you get after that tumultuous time you've been through, that dark time you've been through, it's a permanent blessing. The Most High will never give you something that you want and that you don't want, because He don't play with you like that. The Most High is going to put you through multiple tests, and then once you pass the ultimate test and endure to the end, everything that comes at the other end of that is permanently yours, unless you do something to fuck that up. You see what I mean? Real talk. And that's where we at. That's why they want motherfuckers misled. This motherfucker can see. This motherfucker talking real shit. I thought this was just another dumb nigga. No, bitch. This ain't back in the day, you fucking clown. You see what I'm saying? They don't want you to do this. They want you to be stupid. They want you to play stupid. If you're not really stupid. A lot of motherfuckers are actually really dumb. You know what I mean? They want you to go up with the status quo. They don't want you to see. And if you can see, they want you looking that way. They want you looking this way. They don't want you looking straight at them. They gonna talk to you and not at you. I mean, they gonna talk at you and not to you. You see what I'm saying? That's the type of world we live in. You feel me? You know? And that's another thing too. It's just so much trick knowledge and shit that's going on. All this shit is really to get motherfuckers to not really see who the real enemy is. And the real enemy, let's just say they spiritual wickedness in high places. If you get what I'm saying. Wake the damn up. More videos coming soon.